Flow Editor Tips and Tricks. This training video covers the IntelePeer SmartFlows Flow Editor. Viewers will learn how to view the board, how to interpret action labels, and how to connect and disconnect actions. How to view the board. In the Flow Editor, the board is the center panel, where the flow is built by connecting a trigger to one or more actions. Use the zoom icons at the top of the board to view more or less of the flow. You can also increase the size of the board on screen. Select the collapse icon to collapse the side menu. Or position your cursor between the board and the configuration panel and drag to reduce the size of the configuration panel. How to interpret action labels. Each action is numbered when it is added to the board. These numbers do not affect the order of the actions in the flow. They are used as identifiers. When an action defines a variable, that variable will carry the action's identifier. To select multiple actions, hold the Control key on your keyboard while selecting each action. When the actions are selected, they can be duplicated or deleted within the flow by selecting the corresponding icon. How to connect and disconnect actions. Actions are connected in a flow in the order in which they occur. To connect one action to another, select a port on the action and hold the button on your pointing device. A connector appears and follows your pointer. Drag to the port on the other action. When the port lights up, release the button. Connectors can be drawn out to in or in to out. But out ports and in ports must be connected. An in port cannot be connected to the in port on another action. The connector icon at the top of the board toggles the connectors between curved or straight lines. This is a display preference and doesn't affect flow operation. To connect actions without deleting the actions, select the connector between them with your pointing device and press the delete key on your keyboard. Before actions are connected, variables are not available to call later in a flow. Connecting actions before configuring them ensures variables will be available to call on in the configuration panel.